What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSHIRA254, man. I bring out an update. A couple days to with it's like 2 days in a wake up. But unfortunately, we will not be taking the car. We going. Don't get it twisted. We still going. But there was some things that held us up, i.e. the heat, i.e. the accident. So thank God that we able to even be going. You know what I'm saying? That we allowed to be in the presence of it, man. So hold on. Let me show you something. Yeah, like I was saying, man, the heat has been a major factor. It's getting up to like 100 plus. So, of course, in days like that, I'm not going to be able to spray. And it just is what it is, man. It is what it is. And then, like I said, we had an accident. On the motorcycle. Body work still wasn't done. Just a multitude of factors or whatever. I missed my first deadline. You know what I'm saying? But I guess that's another thing that you really have to take into consideration is temperature, etc., because it's like 7 o'clock in the morning and it's already like 70, 75, 80 degrees, and it's only gonna go up from there. So yeah, gas prices and shit was high, or are high, is high, however you want to call it. With that, you know what I'm saying, that kind of pushed me and kind of motivated me to try to get something to be more gas saving. I had the sport bike, really wasn't that comfortable with it, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, it was comfortable, but you know what I'm saying, not as comfortable as this motherfucker right here, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my Harley. All future Harley content is gonna be on my other channel and my other Instagram. So if you're interested in that, I'll put it up on the community page, whatever, for the Harley content. But yeah, so that's been the biggest thing, man. Even at nighttime when you come off in this thing, man, it's 80 something degrees. Well, that's the outside temperature, you know what I'm saying? Then if you look up here, that thing say, well, that's over 80, right? I'm on 90 in the garage, so I gotta give me a digital one like my bro Steve. But yeah, it's not a whole lot more to do. It's just that it's like 2.5 days of Whip Fest, so I ain't gonna make it. We'll reassess, come back, you know what I'm saying, shoot again, and then be good to go. No big deal. No big deal. And then of course when I do my body work and shit, like I gotta pull my bike out. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do the shit I did with the booster. Like I might have to pull the bike out when I do the body work, etc. Either that or put a big ass cover on it. But this bike is significantly larger than the booster was. But You know, and then especially when we get ready to spray, the bike gotta come out. So I'm anticipating end of the year, maybe. Because what is this? Because I know my next update was supposed to be June 2022, which is like now. Because it's June 20 something. 22nd, yeah, June 22nd, 3 days of Woodfest, so. Yeah, it didn't make it, y'all. It's all good. So technically, the next thing that would be on the list, big shit, is the drop kit and finding that trans leak, which we still didn't find. Well, I mean, the UV leak detection shit, I guess it worked, and then it didn't work. The truck has been parked over here. We did have a truck over here, but then we had to move some shit. So, I mean, it was still leaking. It probably is not gonna move under its own power right now because of the transmission fluid. So I have to get some more transmission fluid, put it in there, and then pull it up there. I probably just need to, I don't know. I think I was gonna start with the pan gasket, just start replacing gaskets and shit. So eventually that's what I'll do. And then that'll be by August or whatever. I switched insurance companies. So now I got insurance on everything. That one, and that one in the garage. So Cutlass minus the Cutlass is pretty much in the same boat. Still waiting on the upgrades for the ring, posi gears, axles, steering shaft upgrade, front brake, spindles, quarter top, and it'll be good. Finish, depending upon the C10. Once we put the C10 in rotation, we'll see how that goes from there as far as the turbo. And then, you know, we've been accumulating little small stuff for the trifecta, going from there. So this all still happen. I done messed up with my play money. And bought this damn bike, so it'll still happen. We'll have, like I said, we start another channel. We'll have some more content coming. A lot of this stuff is already purchased though. So you got everything I checked, marked to it: posi gears, axles, the steering shaft, the front brake spindles. So really all of that is just a matter of getting installed. Same thing with the turbo setup, downpipe, exhaust. The only thing we don't have, and the AFR gauge. Impact strip. Still want to try to find the valves for the swingers. Door and trunk locks. Sierra grill. We might hold off on it. But we might go forward with it. Who knows? Still do the exhaust, AC lines. I got the side moldings, third brake light, the headlight bezels. I don't got the door seals. I haven't finished the console / double din. And then Dakota Digital. I'm working on that too. So we gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. We gonna see. I'm just kind of not distraught. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know me, man. I always hit my goals, my milestones. It was such, man. But diving off into the painting by the minute, it was just a little bit more complicated. And then, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, me working, and family, and et cetera. And then, like I said, when it got down to the wire, the accident and everything like that, and the heat, we didn't make it. So there's always next year. I mean, it was shit. It ain't no real excuse for next year, because all we gotta do, like I said, this I'm expecting to be done with it by the end of the year. You know what I'm saying? If not sooner. And then that's pretty much take care of that. I know that we said we was gonna paint this car. We gonna see. That's all I can tell you. I'm not enthused to hop back off into no body working and shit at this time or whatever. Plus, it's just kind of like a little sleeper like that. But whenever I do want to get ready to, then I'll fucking paint it. If I paint this one before the year is out, that'll be 2 cars that I painted this year. So from 0 to fucking 2 in a year, I think that's pretty damn good. Being that we did take care of the goddamn LS Broham and knocked it on out. So go on and get the seats in, finish to finalize, so that bitch stop pissing everywhere. Finish this one, body work and paint, and then the little stuff that we gotta get done for this one. And like I said, this one is pretty much good. I mean, it's like stage 1, stage 2, stage 1, stage 2. You know what I'm saying? So the upgrades that we want to do to it is more like stage 3 and stage 4. You know what I'm saying? As far as like a street car. You know what I'm saying? Get our posi in there, get our gears in there, get our rear end in there, and you know what I'm saying, get all that stuff together, and then ducking no smoke. But other than that, man, the way gas prices is, man, I'm gonna be on this thing here. And like I said, that's why I started a new channel. Some stuff I'll put over here on this channel. But honestly, you know what I'm saying, when I put the motorcycle stuff on this channel, it didn't really do too well. So I seen from when I used to put the high booster stuff up there. So basically what I'm gonna do, or basically what I've done, is I've created a whole nother channel for this bike, for me being a first time Harley owner, etc. And all that information is gonna be over on the other channel. So like I said, y'all can follow up on that there. So other than that, man, Woodfest this Saturday. We're gonna go out there, we're gonna enjoy ourselves. We're gonna try not to fucking die, because it's supposed to be like 103, 104 damn degrees. And then when we get back, it's grind time. Cause this is what, June. We got 4th of July coming up. Then in August is my birthday. So I don't know. Maybe I can, if I just really get back to work on this thing, man. I think I could probably have this thing pulled out by my birthday. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. Like I said, it's hot as hell, and you gotta have a certain temperature at which you paint for your activator reducer. You know what I'm saying? But it's like I said, that's the downfall of when you're not like a professional painter, or you don't have the right conditions, like a climate control booth. You know what I'm saying? It puts you behind as a DIY person. So I ain't tripping. This car been in the making the last however many years. Know what I'm saying? What's a couple more months? Know what I'm saying? So I ain't fucked up about it. But yeah, like I said, as far as the accident, man, I appreciate everybody's prayers, thoughts, etc., etc. Like I said, I'm healing. I'm feeling better. As you can see, I'm out here, you know what I'm saying, moving back around like I was post-accident or pre-accident. You know what I'm saying? So we're getting back in the move and groove and things. And, you know what I'm saying? We're finna be back in traffic on that because gas is cheap. Well, yeah, gas is cheap. Well, actually, that takes premium, but the tank is only 6 gallons versus 17 gallons, 20. I want to say both of these motherfuckers like 23, 20 something. Well, no, 20. So the truck got a 23 gallon tank. This bitch got 17. I want to say that these is like 20, and then the C10 tank, I don't know how large it is. It's not as large as the other ones, I don't think, but I could be wrong. So, and this ain't the time to go experiment and just fill them up. I'll look up the specs. But all right, man, this is gonna be y'all up. This is a service y'all update for June because ain't nothing gonna change between now and the end of the month. So I figure I'll go ahead and get it out there to y'all. No need procrastinating. But yeah, we back on road. We're gonna finish this car up, get it done, get it up out of here, and then yeah. So look out for this to be finished. Look out for the other channel with the journey on the bike shit. And then watch and look out for as we finish up C10 and as what we gonna do with this? Oh yeah, so basically the biggest shit with this is just we need to do the exhaust on it, and we need to do, so once they do the exhaust, that'll put the bungs for the O2 sensors where I can hook everything up, and then I can really get to tuning that bitch. Like right now, I can't tune it if it don't have no O2 sensors or nothing on it. So that's the downside. So there's that part, but we're gonna get it together soon. Really, that's the only thing this is waiting for: exhaust and the tune, and then she ready. So appreciate y'all for tuning in, rocking with your boy. Your continued support. Like I said, any Harley content y'all want to see, man, check out the other channel. Like I said, it'll be glimpses of the bike on her, but the in-depth shit is gonna be on the other channel. You know what I'm saying? So identify your weakness, make your strength. Life is all about choice. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop.